Welcome back. In this video, we will implement React routing in our application. So let's go to the documentation first. Type React router, and this is the site reactrouter.com, and 6.4.1 is the latest version. Let's now jump to the tutorial. So actually, this version 6.4.1 is just released 2 days before, and these are the new things they have introduced. Previously, like we have browse router, hash router, memory router, and all these types, and in new version they come up with some more modification. So they have here data API and more advanced things, but we can use this as well. So it we can have much more clear understanding by this way. Okay. So we can use browse router in our application, and then routes this route, okay, to have all the like path and its elements, and again we can use the link, else nav link also we can use instead of link. If you wanted to uh, read the documentation whatever we are going to use, I will refer you to go to uh, document version 6.3.0, which is the last stable version of React router. So in this tutorial they have mentioned very like good article here. So once you follow it as it is, you will get much more understanding. Also they have given the uh, one more demo link at some places. Yeah, I think not this one. So it has lot of things to understand. So in main.jsx they have used the routes and mention here 2-3 routes. Okay, so this is the example they have given. On clicking invoice, only this part of the component, this part of the page is rendered, and again sub routes, and in app.jsx they have mentioned the links there's too. So instead of anchor tag, which is like a typical way in HTML, we have to use the link. Okay, so if you use anchor tag, so it will not work like we want. That's why we have to use the link from the React router DOM. So let's get started by installing the React router DOM in our application. Okay, so let me open the other PowerShell window, and here npm install React router DOM. It will automatically install the latest one only, as we have not provided any specific version. Let's check in the package.json. Yeah, React router DOM 6.4.1. Now we can wrap our whole application inside the browse router. Either we can do in index.tsx here or in app.tsx as well. I will write in app.tsx. So browser router, okay, browser router from React router DOM. So first I will explain you how we can use, then we can start implementing in our application. Okay, Once we mention the browse router, after that we can use the routes, this tag, and inside that we can mention the route. Okay, so we need to import routes and route. So in route we need to provide the path. Path means the URL, how URL is looking. So is that URL contains some like home, dashboard, list, add. According to that, whatever elements we want to show, we need to pass here in elements. So in element we can pass the component name, or even we can write the HTML also. So just for demo purpose, I am writing text directly. This is home page. Again I am copying this one. I am mentioning here list. So this is list page, and again third one add. This is add page. Okay, let's save it and check here. So by default the home page it is showing. Once I add here add, so you can see the it is showing the this is add page, and if I keep it here list, so it is showing the list component. Okay, now we need to add the what we say now. Okay, so I can write it here directly. Okay, now, and some now like link we need to add. Okay, so in link dashboard, this is the text which going to show. I have imported link from React CRUD, and we need to provide here two. Two means on clicking the dashboard, which route we need to call, either this one, or this one. Here we have to mention. So for dashboard, I want the home page, then here list, and at last add. Okay, so here add. Okay, so dashboard, list, and add. Okay, just let me add some quick styling. Width equals to 200 pixel. And display flex, justify content as space evenly. Okay, fine. So now the list, the URL contains list, that's why it is showing the this is list page. Once I click on dashboard, URL is change, and it is showing the content from the dashboard route. Once I click on add, it is showing the content from the add route. Okay, so here like we wanted whatever the link is active, we wanted to show it in a different color. Okay, so for that we can use the nav link. Nav link. So it is same like link, but it add the extra class to the active link. Okay, so suppose here I am the list is active, So if you inspect it, active class is added to this one list, and once I click the add, the active class is added to the add link. You can also observe like uh, active class is added to dashboard also. So let's go to the documentation nav link and check for it. So at the end you will get like we need to add end. So if you read, if the end prof is used, it will ensure this component is not matched as active when its descendant paths are matched. Okay, so we need to add here end. Let's check. Okay, so active class is removed from the dashboard. Okay, once I click dashboard, then only the active class is added for dashboard. So now we can add any class for this. So for anchor tag, if that is active, we can make that font size as larger and color as some dark violet. Okay, so it's much visible now. Dashboard, list, and add. I hope you understand the routing. We can implement the routing in our layout properly in next video.